Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Samsung device supports required features and that you have Android 12 or newer. Once confirmed, enable developer options and toggle USB debugging so tools can communicate with the phone. Next, allow installation from unknown sources for your browser or file manager. This is necessary to sideload the Dynamic Island APK. Download the specific Dynamic Island port, a helper activity launcher, and an optional icon pack. You're now set to install. Move on to sideloading and permission setup. You'll sideload the Dynamic Island APK either by tapping the downloaded file in your file manager or using ADB install from your PC. Either method works. Once installed, open the app to grant overlay, notification, and accessibility permissions. These allow the island to display over apps and read incoming events. Then, use an activity launcher to locate background services and pin the main service to auto-start after boot. Make sure battery optimization is disabled for the app, so Android doesn't kill it in the background. You finish by customizing position, size, and animation timing to match your screen and preferences. Use presets or manual offset to align with camera cutouts. Test functionality with incoming calls, music playback, and app notifications to ensure events trigger the island correctly. If something doesn't appear, first recheck overlay, accessibility, and notification permissions, then disable aggressive battery savers and background restrictions. If the island is blank, force stop and reopen the app or reinstall the APK. These steps resolve most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.